Find the bug in this recursive function. Factorial n, return n into factorial n minus 1, print factorial of 5. So let us execute this. Here we get the recursion error, maximum recursion depth exceeded. Add base case to stop the loop. If n is equal to 0, return 1. Return n into factorial n minus 1. Now let us clear this. Now run this. So the answer of factorial 5 is 120. Find the bug. Import copy. Original is 1234. New list is original.copy. We are printing the new list, and the 0th element we are making it as 99 in the new list, and print new list again and print the original list. Let us execute this. So new list is 1234 because it copied it, and the new list we have changed it to 99, but it has changed the original also to 99. We have to use copy.deep copy instead of copy. So import copy, original is this, and here we are using copy.deep copy of original, and we're printing the new list, and the same thing again. Let us run this. Before that, let us clear here, and then let us run this. So the new list is 1234. New list has changed this element to 99, but the original list is intact. Find the bug. Nums is equal to I for I in range of 5. Print list of nums, and then print list of nums again. Now let us run this. So it has printed the list the first time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but the second time it has printed the empty list. Nums is a generator expression, can iterate only once. Use square brackets for nums. So here nums is equal to I for I in range of 5. Print list of nums, and then print list of nums again. So now let us clear this and then run this code. Now it has printed the list 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 both the times. What will this code print and why? We have the calculate function, return 10 and print done, and we are calling the calculate function here. Let us execute this and see. It has printed 10. It didn't print done. Why? Done is not printed because the function is exited after return. Once it says return 10, this calculate function has been exited, so print done has not been printed. What will this code print and why? Name is Roger. If name is equal to Fred or John, then print found, else print not found. So let us execute this. So name is equal to Roger, found. But if name is Fred or John, then it should print found. So Roger is neither Fred nor John, but it has printed found. Why? John is non-empty and is always true. Here we are not comparing John with the variable name. So it is always non-empty. So change the code as below. Name is equal to Roger. If name is equal to Fred or name is equal to John, print found, else print not found. So now let us clear this. Now let us execute this code. So now name is Roger, not found, because we are comparing John with this variable, and that variable has got Roger here. Here we are not comparing with any variable, and John, this string is always showing John and is not non-empty. Find the bug. Count is equal to 0. While count is less than 10, we are printing count. So what is the issue with this code? The bug is this is an infinite loop. Count is equal to 0. While count is less than 10, we have to increment the count by 1, so that count gets incremented up to 10, and then we'll print the count. Now I can print this, execute it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the bug. We have a function add which has got parameters a and b, and we're printing value inside function a plus b, and we're calling the function add, passing 2 and 3 and capturing that result into this result variable, and we are printing this result. So let us execute this and see what is the result. So value inside function is a is 2 and 3 is b, so a plus b is 5, and the result is showing it as none instead of 5. Why? If return is not there, none is returned. Here we are printing the value inside function as a plus b, but we are not returning anything from this function. So we have to return a plus b, so that that return value will be stored in this result variable, and the result will print the 5. So let us clear this, and now I'll execute this. Now the result is showing as 5 because we have returned the value here a plus b from this function. What is printed? Rows is equal to this list times 5, and rows of 0 dot append, we are appending 1, and print rows. So let us execute this. So it has appended 1 here, 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 but we are saying rows of 0 append 1. So what is the issue here? Use list comprehension. Rows is equal to for underscore I in range of 5, rows of 0 dot append 1, print rows. So let us execute this. Before that, let us clear here. So now it has appended 1 only in the first element, and other elements are empty. So use list comprehension. What is wrong with this code? We have this dictionary, the key value pairs, A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. We are printing data, this data variable. For key in data, we are deleting data of key and then printing the data. So let us execute this and see what it will print. So it has raised a runtime error, and runtime error says dictionary changed size during iteration. Modifying dictionary while iterating over it raises runtime error. So we have this data, a key value pairs A1, B2, C3. We are printing the data. For key in list of data, delete data of key and print then data. So let us see what will be printed now. Let us clear this and we'll execute this. Now it has printed empty string here. Before that, the dictionary elements A1, B2, C3 are there, and when we deleted the keys, it has printed the empty string. Here the change we have made is list of data. What does it print? Count is equal to 10. There is an update function. Count plus is equal to 1 and print count. So we are calling the update function here and we are printing the count again here. So let us execute this. So we got unbound local error. Unbound local error cannot access local variable count where it is not associated with a value. Use global count. Count is equal to 10. This update function, we are using global count. Count plus is equal to 1, print count. We are calling the update function and then printing count again. So let us clear this and then run this code and see what will happen when we use the global count. So it has printed 11. It has increased from 10 to 11 because count is equal to count plus 1, and we have printed 11 here. Because it is global count, it has carried that value here. So when we call the update function, we are printing count again. Again it is showing as 11. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, hype and click on bell icon.